Hello there. My name is Gabriel Lawrence. First of all, I'd like to thank Mr. Kwiatkowski for being such a splendid teacher. Moving on. The name of my piece is Ventus et Nubes, which means the wind and clouds in Latin. I chose this title because of the chaotic nature of my piece, which is analogous to a raging storm. All throughout it, there are moments of clashing tones. At some points, a lot is going on, and the music roars like thunder. At other points, it slows down, as if to catch a breath between pouring rains. The harsh chords played on the piano remind one of thunder and the crack of lightning. The smooth notes on the cello are like the wind blowing through. All together, they make a mighty thunderstorm of wind and clouds. Please enjoy.